Did you know that Google automatically adds assets to your ads, even if you never created them? In this video, I show you which automated assets you should turn off, which ones to keep, and how to control them. Hey, I'm Jasmin, and today we're looking at account-level automated assets and how they can help or hurt your performance. What are account-level automated assets? Google automatically creates certain ad extensions based on your website, ad copy, and campaign data. These are called automated assets. They can include, for example, automated site links, dynamic callouts, structured snippets, seller ratings, dynamic call extensions, and much more. So, very important, you don't always see them unless you check. So Google basically says that account-level automated assets tend to boost your ad performance, making your ads more likely to be clicked. But the reality often looks different. A huge mistake, which I see in a lot of Google Ads accounts I do an audit for, is that the account-level automated assets are completely turned on. And this shouldn't be like that. And now I'm going to show you where to find the account-level automated assets and how to change them. So Google actually hides them a bit to make it even more difficult to change them. So you have to go under campaigns, then under assets, you click on that, and then you can see here the three dots, click more. And then click account level automated assets. Then this pops up, but you have to click again more. And then advanced settings. So it's kind of a long way to go there. And Google really does that on purpose. Yeah, so here you find the account level automated assets, and this is where Google decides what to automatically add to your ads. By default, all the account level automated assets are switched on. So why is that problematic? If the account level automated assets are switched on, you're completely giving the control to Google. Google decides which messages, site links, callouts, and more are displayed and doesn't really tailor them to your funnel, to the search intent, or to your offer. So this can lead to unclean data for bidding and that the algorithm learns from false signals. Let me give you an example. If you leave dynamic structured snippets on, Google decides what your services are, and this is often incomplete or misprioritized. It can disrupt the logic of your offering. So this only works like kind of okay if your website is very, very well structured. But if not, it can lead to a total mess. And imagine if your dynamic business name is switched on. Google is changing how your business is presented. Your branding and your trust can actually suffer. And this is very problematic for services that require an explanation. So better create the assets like site links, callouts, and the structured snippets manually instead of letting Google take control. So I recommend that you turn off the account level automated assets, and to do that you just have to click on the arrow and then manually tickle everything off. Google really tries to make it as difficult as possible. For example, if you click other reason, Google doesn't really let you click confirm. So for example, just add I prefer to create my own, and then you're able to confirm. So you have to do that step by step for every asset. Yeah. Yes, I just want more control. Finish. You go step by step. So there's one automated asset which I recommend you leave it switched on. So this is the seller ratings. If you have good reviews, the seller ratings increase your trust, improve the click-through rate, add social proof. So this is usually a good thing to keep. So for beginners, I recommend clearly keep the seller ratings if available, but turn off everything else and create your own manual assets instead. So as a quick recap, the account level automated assets are convenient, but not strategic. So check them, control them, and don't let Google decide your messaging. If this video helped you to understand the account level automated assets, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. Everything is kept very simple and easy here on this channel. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.